Hi guys, my name is Ta-Risai. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Ta-Risai. I speak positivity, exude creativity. Worship is my life, not an activity. So when I say I love God, I mean it.
In today's video, if you want to see how I was able to achieve this look from this, using the Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler brush. So it's a pedal brush and a blow dryer in one. Stay tuned. So I've just washed my hair. At the moment it doesn't have anything in it. This is my texture. It's quite soft at the front, and then at the back it's quite coarse, but my hair is quite damp at the moment. It's not wet, but it's damp. And this, so let's open it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It comes in this bag. I haven't opened it yet, so my first thoughts are it's quite big. So that's the size. It's light, very light, but it's quite chunky. There are the settings here. So you've got the off button, and then you've got the cool air, and then setting 1 and setting 2 for heat. So it works pretty much like a blow dryer. This is my first time using this, so I'm not sure how it's going to do, but I have seen quite a few reviews on this. So you can see there's some holes in there, and that's where the air comes from. And of course you'll be brushing. My hair's quite thick, so every time I've tried to blow dry my hair with a comb at the end of it, it falls off. It literally snaps off. So I thought I'd try something different. And when I put my hair into sections, 4 sections,
this makes it easier to actually work through my hair. I start with one of the back sections eventually. I then put in my Cantu Shear Butter Leave-In Conditioner. I then seal my hair with some Argan Oil. Finally, I put in my Argan Oil Heat Defense Leave-In Spray. I then use one of my favorite detangling brushes from Wilko's just to lightly detangle my hair before I go in and blow dry it out. I'll put all the products I'm using in the description box just to make it easier, but here I go. I start blow drying my hair on a cool setting just so that my hair is not exposed to high heat for long periods of time. So this is my hair after I've just been using the low cool setting. I do increase the heat a little bit after this, so I put it on number 1 just so that I can get a bit more of a blown out look, and then I repeat. So this is as straight as we're gonna get it. I love it. Yes, I do know my ends need cutting or trimming, but so far so good.
Rashford just scored and his goal got disallowed.
That is literally the second time that's happened. He's done this before.
Oh yeah, but Pogba just scored now anyway.
Oh, but it's finally scored.
That's a great final.
Ooh, go Manchester United. One Bissaka.
Anyways, back to hair. Yes, I love football. My husband got me into it. But anyways, now I'm working on the other back section of my hair. I'm currently using the cool setting, and you can probably tell that my hair is straightening a little bit faster than I was doing it before. So I think my technique is a little bit better by starting at the end and then sort of working through to my roots. Then separate my hair and increase the heat so I can get it a bit more straight, just like I did in the previous section. I repeat the whole process to the front of my hair. And here is the finished look. I love it. My hair is flowing like never before.
So we're finally done. This is the final look. So you can probably tell most of my ends need to be cut. Some are quite thin. So in my next video, I will be showing you how I trim this hair so that it looks a bit better. So my ends are going to be trimmed. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good day or good night.